I'm going to show you what you need to do to set up a brand new Amazon to eBay dropshipping business. I will also address what are the risks involved when sourcing from Amazon and why people are still using this model even though many call it dead. So, to address the risks in the most transparent way, I will go over the official dropshipping policy of eBay. So let's quickly read it together. Okay, so let's go. Let's dive in together. Look, dropshipping, also known as a product sourcing, is when you buy stock from a supplier and work with them to send items directly to your buyers without ever handling them yourselves. Now, this is where it gets important, and it's important for everyone to know about this. Dropshipping, where you fulfill orders directly from a wholesale supplier, is allowed on eBay. Remember that if you use the dropshipping, you're still responsible for the safe delivery, that's okay. However, check it out. However, listing an item on eBay and then purchasing the item from another retailer or marketplace that ships directly to your customer is not allowed on eBay. Activity that doesn't follow eBay policies could, remember this could, result in a range of actions, including but not limited to adding, canceling listings, loss of sale protection, account suspension. However, even though dropshipping from retail suppliers is not allowed, eBay mentions that it could result in actions, but not, in fact, that would result in penalties. And this is the reason why, till today, many dropshippers are still using retail suppliers successfully, even if it could be risky. Now, when you are aware of the risk, you are probably asking yourself, why are people still doing it? And how come they are still making decent profits from their Amazon to eBay dropshipping business? Well, there are a few advantages of dropshipping from Amazon to eBay that still make it very attractive. The first one is the wide product selection in Amazon. Like, it performs any other retail website used for dropshipping, and with this comes the low initial investment and lower operational costs. And the biggest advantage here is Amazon's great customer service and shipping speed. So when you add on top of this the advanced technology offered by leading software solutions, Amazon to eBay dropshipping can be fully automated, from product finding till order processing. Now, Amazon to eBay dropshipping is still attractive, but there are some risks involved. And in this video, I'll teach you how to deal with these risks. We'll cover the following steps. First, setting eBay account for dropshipping. Second, finding winning products. Third, title optimization. Fourth, list items to your store. Fifth, I'm going to give you 3 tips to dropship from Amazon to eBay without getting suspended. And then sixth, I'll give you 3 more tips to not get your Amazon buyer account suspended. So make sure you watch from beginning to end so you don't miss anything important, any information that is important in the process. Now, let's start with step number 1, creating a seller account for dropshipping. This is important. So to sign up for an eBay account, you have to choose the type of account that fits your situation. So I'm going to jump here in the computer as I speak. And if you're an individual without a business, opt for a personal account. However, if you are a business owner and you can provide all the necessary information, go for a business account. Now, it's important to note that the selling benefits are the same for both options, and the distinction is mainly for legal purposes. If you're a business owner looking to report expenses and activities, it's best to use business account for billing and account purposes. Now, once your store is fully set up, the next step is to determine which products to sell. To find profitable, winning products, you will need to conduct a thorough product research, okay? And this involves searching for products that are already selling well on eBay and meeting customers' needs. But how can you do this? How can you do this product research properly? Well, this is a key moment, and I'm glad you're here to watch this part. I'm going to jump in my computer and show you exactly what to do and how to do it. All right, so let's do this. First thing you do, go to Amazon and then you click here, best sellers. And here you're going to see all the best sellers from like all the departments, right? And then you have here in clothing, jewelry, kitchen, dining, and whatever. And you have all the departments here if you have any particular interest. And for the example, you just choose any of these products, because in the end, we are not really looking for the product. just stay around and I will tell you. Look, for example, let's choose this thing. This is a vegetable chopper. Actually, I do need one of these at home. What we do is we get like this vegetable chopper, and this is what the product is, right? We get it. And then we go to the product research in Zik Analytics. But before you do that, just make sure that your settings are set correctly, right? Shipping location and the source is Amazon.com, source website. And then you see here as well. Okay, so that's it, vegetable chopper. Let's see how it goes. The idea here is to find not only like this product specifically, but finding sellers that are drop shipping this product. Like, look, we can just filter out drop shippers only. All these sellers here are drop shippers and they're using Amazon as a supplier. So this is like, you see the product, this is the exact product. This is the same product, isn't it? Look, it's the same product. So let's just double check. Look, you see it's like the same images that they have it. So we are sure. Now the next step is to check all on the item finder, the Amazon logo, the Amazon with the green check, and you simply scan the seller, because the idea here is that if the seller is selling this product, drop shipping this product from Amazon, he's certainly drop shipping other products from Amazon. And then you can find the products, like the best winning products here, and list them to your store. Of course, you have to make a few changes, improve however you think is best. But for example, this seller right here, you have these options. Oh my God, there's no Amazon logo here. No problem. You can even do it manually, or you can just stick with the ones for that Zik Analytics has 100% sure that is from Amazon. In this case, this one, and so on, like this item right here. And you can just go back and look for other ones. This is how crazy and easy it is to find drop shippers. Look, this one, the green check again. Let's scan the seller. You can see the seller is making $15,000, basically the sale earnings last 30 days. You scroll down here and see many options of products that the seller is drop shipping from Amazon. It's just crazy. This is like the best way to do product research, if you're looking for Amazon as a supplier. And then what you do is you choose one of these items and then you click an item finder just to make sure and check it out. The seller is buying this product for $19.88 and is selling on eBay for $34.88, giving a profit of $7.72, and has sold 9 times. It has sold 9 times the last 30 days and 122 times since it was listed. So it's all here, my friends. It is also really important to come up with a really strong and optimized title for our products. And so it appears first when people search for something similar. And the process is called the title optimization. And we will be using both our creativity and Zik to make it happen. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to use the vegetable chopper again, this product. Let's see on eBay. So this is the listing on eBay. And what I suggest is to just copy 2 to 3 keywords that describe the product itself. So this is a vegetable chopper, right? And then we go to Zik Analytics, title builder, and we paste it here. In this case, let's just go for a vegetable chopper. And what's going to happen is that we're going to have 2 boxes here, right? We have the long tail keyword ideas and the generic keyword ideas. The long tail keyword ideas is is what people type when they're looking for this product. So they just don't type like vegetable or chopper, right? They type something like this, vegetable fruit chopper or fruit chopper cutter. And always be aware of the number of sales right here. This is the important part, okay? Of course, the amount of sales, the less competition, the better, but focus on the amount of sales. So a tip that I give you is to basically copy the title here of the competitor, paste in the title builder, and remove all the unnecessary keywords or the keywords that don't have so much sales. Okay, so you have 14 in one vegetable. There's 115 in one here. Okay, there's a good demand. You can leave it vegetable, fruit, chop, cutter, food. It then talks about like onion, veggie, dicer, slicer. So let's see. First, the long tail keyword ideas are pretty much here. Vegetable, fruit, chopper. And then you have cutter, food, onions. Okay, so What about fruit chopper cutter? Fruit chopper cutter all here as well. You see that this competitor probably used Zik Analytics title builder. And then you have food, onions, potato, vegetable slicer. So basically, from what I'm seeing, this title is pretty good. I mean, it has everything: a chop, cutter. Wait, does it have? Yeah, it has chopper, vegetable slicer, even dicer, food, onion, fruit. There's fruit and kitchen and veggie. Okay, so for this case, actually, this is a really good, strong title. Probably, as I mentioned before, the seller used the title, the title builder. What we can just change a few words around so it's not exactly the same. So vegetable fruit chopper cutter right here. Maybe we can just chopper and then we put food, onion, veggie slicer, kitchen cutter, for example. Makes it a bit more different. Then you copy here and paste your listings. After you pick the products you want to sell and have optimized the titles, you want to add them to your eBay store. And there are a few ways to do it. Which way do I recommend? Well, like and subscribe and I'll tell you. Did you like it? Did you subscribe? Okay, I'm kidding. Okay, I'll tell you. So I recommend using monitor tools. So monitor tools offer at least two types of services. One is a lister service. A lister will automatically upload the products you find to eBay. And this will help you save a lot of time because if you do the work manually, it can take a really long time. And the second service is price monitoring, called a repricer. A repricer makes sure to maintain the prices on eBay always in profit. So if you upload a product from a supplier like Amazon for $10 and then you put it on eBay for $20 and then the price of the supplier, the price on Amazon changes to $20, the price on eBay will automatically increase. So you stay in profit. So let's see the options. What options we have in the market for monitor tools? First one's AutoDS is a great option because AutoDS supports a lot of suppliers and it's very recommended in market. They offer a chat support, lots of training as well, and full automation for orders, tracking numbers, and customer service. Another great tool is SaleFreaks. They focus their features on large amount of listings and their fully automated Amazon to eBay dropshipping software. So check them out. And guess what? You can integrate these two monitor tools with Zik Analytics, which makes the whole process of uploading the products much faster and easier. Really. Now, let me give you 3 tips to dropship from Amazon to eBay without getting suspended. This is a crucial moment. And if you're watching till here, I appreciate it. And I'm here for you. And if you have any questions, leave them below and we'll try to get back to you as fast as possible. So my 3 tips are: first is focus on FBA Prime products because it has less chance for products not to show up on time to eBay buyers, and great customer service provided by Amazon in case there's an issue with the product or with the order. The second tip is to drop shipping items that are not VERO items. And guess what? I'm going to show you right here on the screen the full list of the VERO brand. And I'm going to add this link also in the description so you can take a look after. Tip number 3 is to change a bit the product description and product title because eBay algorithm will mark the product list as a unique product. More exposed and less change, eBay will mark the product as drop shipped product. Now, also, as I promised in the beginning of the video, I'm going to give you 3 more tips, but this time on how to not get your Amazon buyer account suspended. And before I do that, if you have more tips and anything that could help us out, leave them in the comment below so we help each other out and we grow together, right? This is the whole point of this. Okay, so going back, tip number 1 is to, it's basically for a new Amazon buyer's account. So don't buy and drop ship high-priced items. When I say high-priced items, I'm talking about $45 and more. Because new Amazon accounts that buy high-priced products can be marked as suspicious accounts, and orders can be canceled, and something the account will be asked for is verification to make sure it's not a scam. So avoid that. Second one is don't use discounted Amazon gift cards. I know I probably heard about this, but this is the reason why you can I wouldn't recommend you for to use discounted Amazon gift cards, because Amazon can actually suspend immediately accounts that use discounted Amazon gift cards, and the Amazon account can be suspended with gift card balance. Okay, you know what that means? So after Amazon account is suspended because of discounted Amazon gift cards, it is hard to release the locked gift card balance. So think about that. So tip number 3 is don't ship a lot of Prime products every day from one Amazon account. Try to keep from 5 to 10 orders per day. It's better to open a few Amazon accounts and ship up to 10 products per day from each one of them. Amazon to eBay dropshipping business, it's a great way to begin e-commerce business with a minimum cost. And let me know if you want me to make more videos on Amazon to eBay dropshipping by commenting below. If you think it's important, I will do it. Keep moving forward and see you next time.